So when I ask my patients who come to me, are you using your sunscreen regularly? One thing they tell me is they don't use a sunscreen because either it's making their skin look very dull or it's making them look dark. So let's basically understand why this is happening. So sunscreens are not meant to make your skin dark, but it can happen if you choose your sunscreen in the wrong formulation. For example, if your skin is very oily and you choose a sunscreen which is cream based and greasy, it can make your skin look very dull and it can give a grayish hue to your skin. And also, if you are skin of color, like if you're of skin grade like grade 3 and grade 4, and if you choose a tinted sunscreen which doesn't match your skin tone, again it can make your skin look very gray and dull. And finally, if you're using too much of sunscreen or sunscreen that has the physical components like zinc oxide and titanium oxide, when you apply too much of sunscreen, again due to layering, it can make your skin darker. So what you can do basically to avoid this is to go for invisible sunscreens. So these are my recommendations which is available in the market that you can use if you feel like your sunscreen is making your face look dull. And secondly, you can also choose to apply a layer of compact if you're comfortable using it on top of your sunscreen. That will again reduce this dullness and grayness to a certain extent. And number 3, if you're a person who wears makeup regularly, you can apply your first coat of sunscreen, which is usually lotion based or like a little light based sunscreen, and top it on with a tinted sunscreen which matches to your skin color. So you are having double coverage. Also, you are having coverage for your pigmentation and marks. It acts like a makeup base also. Share this with someone who says that they are not using sunscreen because of this.